A very good evening, শুভ সন্ধ্যা সবাইকে। I am Vishak Jyoti. I welcome you all for this wonderful digital concert, which is organized by Purple Petal Entertainment and our streaming partner, Team Ulala. We are featuring a maestro himself and our beloved guru, Acharya Sanjay Chakravarti ji. On harmonium, we have our Guruma and his better half, Srimati Reshmi Chakravarti. On tabla, we have Subhash. On harmonium, on tanpura, we have Ankun. The entire Purple Petal Entertainment team is truly honored and humbled to organize like this today, and are equally privileged to have Acharya Sanjay ji. Along with us, a big thanks to Team Ulala once again for this wonderful concert. Thank you. Be safe, stay at home, and enjoy the concert.
नमस्कार, नमस्ते। Malhar and we. Thank you all. At the first, I want to mention that I am privileged to be here with all of you due to this very, very, very good streaming studio, Ulala. And my heartfelt thanks to Purple Petal Entertainment for presenting this show. Now, I do think, in my view, that ragas are like characters, like you, like me. So, any character, any living creature will have to have two different systems, basically. One is its anatomy, and the other is its psychology. So the anatomy parts of the ragas are very much common even to the petty textbooks of North Indian classical music. You know all these things: Badi, Sambadi, Jati, Arohan, Avrahan, Pakar. These are the bones and veins and all anatomical, medical side of the ragas. But I want to give stress, I want to emphasize on the psychological parts of the ragas. What are the psyches that interacts with our psychology? Different psychological entities are acting with more and more different psychological entities like you or me. Malhar is basically a musical part of speech, you may say. ni da ni ni sa 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 te sa te sa ni pa ni da ni sa re re. After that, it may be ga, it may be ga. All notes are involved, but basic ang is mapa nidha nisa. Mapa nidha nisa. And how it acts in our psyche? Actually, mapa nidha nisa. This ang sometimes it joins with sarang groups. Sarang becomes malhar. A group of malhar is originated basically from sarang kind of ang, and a group of malhar is from malhar ang. It's really a mystery how it acts. Mal means in Sanskrit, that's excretory products, dirts, slags. So you can clean the slags of a factory, of a company, of something, factory, materialistic, different materials, chemicals, through different ways. But how can you excrete your mental slag? So you cannot excrete it. You just may neutralize it. So आप तो ये समझते होंगे कि 1 घंटे में कम से कम 12 प्रकार की मल्हार, तो द्वादश मल्हार, ये पुराना कहावत है कि द्वादश मल्हार। ये तो मुसीबत की बात है कि 1 घंटे में द्वादश मल्हार गाते हैं। एक मल्हार के लिए तो 1-2 घंटा कुछ भी नहीं है। मगर here we are going to just have the impressions of the ragas rather than the performance, complete performance of the raga. I don't know how Subhash will take it. You don't play how Rashmi will take it. Do you agree all? Do you agree with these things? You must agree, otherwise I can't swing. So, I'm beginning with the most popular malhar, that is Miyaki malhar, or you may say as Miya malhar. This was composed basically from Kannada group, This is a festive raga, festival of rains in a tropical country. Rain is a festival. You think in desert area, Agra, Delhi, nearer to desert areas, where rain is a festival itself. It's a festival itself. And Tansen, Miya Tansen, he was himself a king. So, he himself was very much festive in his creations. Like he created Kannadas like Darbari Kannada, Miyaki Kannada. So Kannada is always related with festivals, different Kannadas like Sahana Kannada, like different Kannadas, even Kannadas created by Tansen, Darbari Kannada. Sadani Papa Gamare, Sadani Pa Gamare. This is typically Kannadang. So, Re Papa Ne Dane Sadani Pa Gamare Sa. Anatomically, this is Kannadang, but anatomy is not the final thing. The basic thing is, Miya Malhar is the festival of rain festival. In a tropical country, it just promotes a joyous mood and a continuity of this festival of rains. It's not that the rain came and gone out, not that, like that. Excretory products. Oh, thank you for reminding me. I was हर मीन्स हरन मीन्स उसको कैसे बात दिया जाए उसको बिल्कुल वहाँ से. हाउ यू कैन एक्सक्रीट, यू कैनॉट एक्सक्रीट. सो मल्हार, after summer time in tropical countries, it's full of dry leaves and dusts and in nature also when rain comes सब साफ हो जाता है, मल्हार हो जाता है, मल का हरण हो जाता है. And now think it about in your mal, in your depression, in your bipolarity. You have to neutralize it. You cannot excrete it. You can vomit food. You can excrete excretory products of your body, but you cannot excrete it. You just, you have to neutralize it. So, let we join in the festival of rain through a bandish. Gana re barasana, gana re barasana, gana re barasana. मन में अगन लगाए, मन की बन में अगन लगाए, बरस आसमान रे गना गना गन रे गना रे बरसन मन की बन मन के बन अगन लगाए, मन की बन में अगन लगाए, बरस आसुवन गन रे गना. Mama diza niza sa gana te gana. Is it a pa ma pa ni da ni pa ma pa ma ni ga ga mama diza niza gana te gana. Re gana barasana barasana gana re gana barasana gana re gana re barasana gana re gana 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 re gana re gana re gana. Different shapes of clouds, gana gana re gana gana re gana. Clouds floats with the, it keeps pace with the speed of air, the slow air. Gana re gana gana re gana barasana मन में air speed is now more. Lagaye gana re gana, gana re gana, gana re gana, re varasana gana re gana. Just add one note. This Miyamallar. In the other note, the dimension is changed. You think that the air dimension is changed. Sometimes it's a reeling air with clouds. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-na, ra-na. Now, this is another thought zone of your, rains make us separated, more into part. We just sink within ourselves. दूसरा तरफ दिखा दे रहा, उधर से भी आ रहा है. Ramdas ji, a Sufi mystic, basically mystic, yogi, he composed this raga. And now see this, with this Gandhar, two rags, it was Ramdasi Malla, invented by Ramdas ji. And two rags, when, my better half says that it's joint Mallar. Actually, it's joint Mallar. So this is a this is a compound rag. It's a compound rag where Jaijanti meets Miyamallar. Sa sa da ni re 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 ga ma ma ga re ga re sa za sa za re pa va ga ma re sa sa da ni pa ti re pa ti re pa ga ga ma re sa da ni re ga ga ma ma ga re ga sa za ma ga sa re da ni re. These all ragas are, it represents nature. One is scenic nature and one is human nature. Our nature, how are we? How do we feel in rain? Simple people, village people of India, It is difficult to imagine all these things in this technical world today. However, if you can imagine, you can get rid of lot of hazards, your psychological hazards basically. Birana ki nirgana yakhiya vad birana ki nirgana yakhiya vad birana ki gana गनाए आके 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 विधान की पावस रोतम दस देश सोने बये अखिया पर बिदन सा सनि धनि सनि धनि रि रि ग ग म ग म मग मग जे जे ग जे सनि स धनि रे स सनि रे सनि स धनि रे जे ग ग म ग म प नि धनि ब म प नि धनि ब ब ब ब म प प स धनि ब ब ब म ब ग म म दे सनि स रे नि स धनि रे रे स स नि स रे नि स धनि रे रे स स नि स रे नि स धनि रे ग ग म म ग. Just, of course, you are feeling the difference with the high and this re, dani re re. बच्चे लोग को जब हम डांटते हैं ना, बेचारा रो दिया, फिर उसको प्यार करने लग जाते हैं ना. सा नी सा डी सा नी सा दानी रे, घटा तो है ही, उसको बरसाना चाहिए. सा रे सा नी दानी रे, देखा देखा गा माँ मगे देखा दे सा नी सा नी सा नी सा दादा दादा नी रे रे सा नी सा दादा दादा नी रे रे सा नी दादा नी रे गा मगर रे गा रे सा भर धीरन के आ वन गनाए गनाए आखिया 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 बेरन के नीर गनाए आखिया just the faces, not even the faces, maybe the eyebrows of the ragas. Because it is difficult to carry the other smaller in 1 hour or so. Just, I don't know how much I am able or not, bless me. But the faults I am doing, I am responsible for that. And if there is anything good, the credit goes to my gurus, my God. Now, here is a rag which deals with a natural situation which is not concerned, actually less concerned with rains, more concerned with clouds. So think about the cloud of your psychology, the cloud of your agony, and how it can be combated with Rag Meghamalla. Very common rag, you all know. I have to tune my Surmandal because the notes will be changed. So I'm not taking that time, I'm just taking help from the harmonium. With your permission, if you permit me. गरजन को बदरिया It's a very good composition by Acharya Guru Gyan Prakash Ghosh. I was singing just half or little of the compositions, due to the shortage of time. But I'm trying to sing this composition because the former compositions were mine. I can do some faults with that, but this is of Acharya Gyan Prakash Ghosh. So I had to sing the full. Garajan ko badarwa, barasan ko aaye aaj garajan. गरजन को बदलवा बरसन को आए आज गरज गरज मोहे तर पाए 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 पपिया शोर मचाए गरज बदरवा बरसन को आए आज गरजन को बदरवा बरसन को आए गरजन को गरजन बदरवा गरजन को बदरवा बरसन को गरज गरज मोहे तर पपिया शोर मचाए गरज 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 मोहे तर पाए गरज गरज मोहे तर पाए पपिया शोर मचाए गरजन को बदरवा बरसन। कुछ गरजन तुम भी दिखाओ, कैसे गरजते हैं। घुमड़ गलिया आ thunderstorm. It's dangerous. I use careful things. घुमड़ घुमड़ गनाए नैन पर लगाए, कोई ना बताए पिया कब आए, कोई ना बताए पिया कब आए, कोई ना बताए पिया कब आए। रही रही जिया घबराए 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 गरजन बदरवा बर। सनी सा सनी सा सनी सा सनी सा सनी सा सनी सा रे सनी सा सनी पानी 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 पाऊ पाऊ पास नी सनी पानी पामा रे मा पानी सा रे सनी पामा रे सनी रे सनी पामा रे सनी सा रे सनी पा रे सनी पामा रे सनी सा सनी सा काय रे जन को बदरवा। Oh, I am getting the mood of singing make for half an hour. No, I have not that much time. No, I'm now going to another molla. Should I go? Now the stop thunder. Oh God, too much thundering. क्या बात? तिहाई भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. Now Surdasi Mallar, fifth Mallar among 12 in my series. Surdas was another mystic poet. वो क्या किए थे? वो he was addicted of anti gender, and he felt that his progression in creation and everything was just halted, just rather killed by this kind of libido of him. He was a yogi. Then one day, do you know what he did? क्या किया था वो? He has taken 2 rods of iron and put them into just fire, burning fire. When the iron was hot, red hot, he has taken these 2 rods and just put it in his 2 eyes. The eyes were gone. He became blind. Now he got Sur. This is Surdasi Mallar or Sur Mallar. What is Sur? Sa, sa. All the ragas are here. If you can find it, the yogi can find it. Om. Sa is the heart of Sur Mallar, is the brain of Sur Mallar, is the everything of Sur Mallar. And as a matter of fact, you see, the world is really limited. Sa re ma pa sa pa re sa. I'm singing from C. So sa re pa sa ma pa sa. These are 2 different roots of suspended 4th chord. And suspended 4th chord also represent most of the time the rains, the rain season, the feeling of rain. So the globe is really, no difference is there. This rag is, if you analyze this chord wise, this is based on sus 4 chord. It's really short. No, okay, I have to tune it. She's trying to cooperate me every time, Quite natural. I'm with my better half, my son, and sometimes he become more than my song, and sometimes he, not practices that much. But now he is practicing more, I think. मेरे बच्चे लोग बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. ये तो बनना चाहिए. बोलो क्या है? कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. हाँ बोलो.
We have few comments.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt.
Nothing, sir. Sorry.
We have few comments. Swami Vikramananda Maharaj, thank you Purple Petal Entertainment for giving us most beautiful. Ashish Chakraborty with us, Pradeep Chatterjee, Kohili Nath, Trisha Parui, Sahila Sarkar, lot of people. सभी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं.
क्या बात है. आप लोग हैं तो
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
आप लोग हैं तो मैं भी, हम सब भी. कहाँ, अगर आप नहीं होते तो हम कहाँ हैं. अब है, आपका मेहरबानी है. थोड़ा सुनते रहिए. टूटा वूटा जो कर रहा हूँ, ये आप ही का मेहरबानी है. सुनने वालों की चीज़ है ये गाना बजाना बेसिकली. गाते हैं 2 आदमी, सुनते हैं 2 लाख. Effect on your psychology, this sa will come maybe a half an hour, 40 minutes later. So I am now just singing the rag. So if I sing sa for 20 minutes, I think it will not be a good thing. So, so I'm singing another composition. It's a very traditional composition. I'm singing the whole composition as it is a traditional, very old composition. Badrawa barasan ko aaye, badrawa barasan ko aaye, nanne nanne boodan garaj garaj ab chahun aurate bijuri chamakat badrawa barasan aaye, badrawa barasan ko aaye, nanni nanni boondana, nanni nanni boondana, nanni nanni boota garaj garaj ab chahu aurate bijuri chamakata badrawa barasana aaye, badrawa barasana ko aaye. कुंवर श्याम नहीं आए सजनी, कुंवर श्याम नहीं आए सजनी, कौन सौतन सन ने लगावे. The root of this rag is sarang. You know, sarang, sarang, sarang. Nizare ma pa nizare sa ni pa ma de sa ni sa. This is Vrindavani sarang. But nizare ma pa nizare ni da ma da pa sa ni da pa ma ma pa pa. This is Suddha Simala. Sa ni sa ni da ma da pa sa ni da pa da pa ma ma re ma re ma pa pa ma. Pa sa ni da pa ma re ma re sa ni sa sa ni sa 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 ni sa sa ni da ma pa pa da wa pa da sa na ko aaye. नन्नी नन्नी बूदन गरज गरज अब चाहूं औरते बिजुरी चमकत बदलवा बरसन को आए, बरसन को आए, बरसन को आए.
हेलो, क्या बात, आहा, बहुत सारा कमेंट्स आ रहा है हमारे पास एंड एवरीवन इज चेरिशिंग दिस मोमेंट. दीपायन दास with us, Shoham Das with us, Shuranjana Mukherjee, Shahila Sarkar, Swara Bhavna, Rahul Nandi, Ashish Vishwas, कृष्णेंदु साहू, मेघना नंदी, चंद्रा मुखर्जी, अनुपम देव बर्मन, बहुत सारे लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. They are just enjoying the concert.
Thank you very much. Now, I'm singing one rare Malhar. You know, Indian music has passed through thousands of years, through different schools. So there are different opinions in different schools regarding Malhar. And these varieties of opinions reaches its highest level in case of Dhulia Malhar. In some school, they say, Sur Malhar. This reverse phrase of Sur Malhar is being used in Jaipur Gharana mainly. They use that. And this Kamal Gandhar is being used in Gwalior and other gharanas. So what I think being a very small fry of Indian classical, in the ocean of, a very small fish in the ocean of Indian classical music, I honor both of them. I honor all the sectors. And in Dhulia Malhar, I apply the both schooling. And you see how does you feel. Gharana. Schooling is Gharana. This is composed, I have composed this in Tal Pusto. And I want to mention a very pertinent thing at this moment, because this Tal is a gift from Afghanistan. They are very musical people. Now they are suffering, so we all are praying. This composition I am offering towards their tough feeling, towards their crisis of thinking at present moment. I want to dedicate this to the pains-taken Afghans at this moment. Tal Pusto and Rag. What is the Rag? Dhulia Malla. अब तो मिलो बरसन लगे क्या बात मिलो बरसन लगे आंसुओं की बूंदन देख लो अब तो मिलो मिलो अब मिलो बरसन लगे. Rain in Afghanistan is just think. मिलो 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 बरसन लगे बूंदन आंसुओं के बूंदन देख लो अब तो मिलो मिलो बरसन लगे आंसुओं की बूंदन अब तो मिलो अब तो मिलो 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 अब तो मिलो बरसन लगे बूंदन अब तो मिलो मिलो मिलो. This is an ancient mallar, Dhulia mallar. Now a mallar, Surat mallar. This root in Surat, mallar is more appreciated in you see Surat, Agra, Surat. I am singing on Bengali song. There are a lot of differences between Bandish and song. Lots of difference. But in some cases, in some particular life, Bandish and song goes parallel. And here is a Bengali song which goes parallel to Surat, which is parallel to Surat composition. মজা দেখিছে আমার মন পাগলে বড় ধুম লেগেছে হৃদি কমলে ধুম লেগেছে হৃদি কমলে মজা দেখিছে আমার মন পাগলে হতেছে পাগলের মেলা খেপাতে খেপিতে মিলে হতেছে পাগলের মেলা খেপাতে খেপিতে মিলে আবার আনন্দেতে সদানন্দে আনন্দময়ী করছে ঢুলে বড় ধুম লেগেছে রেমা রেমা পানি পানি নি পা মা পানি দা বা মারে মা মা রে মা পানি দা বা মা পানি জানি সা রি রি রে সা নি সা মা মা রে সা নি সা রি রি নি সা পানি নি পানি সা নি সা নি সা রে দা বা মা পানি দা বা মা রে মা মা রে মা রে মা হৃদি কমলে বড় ধুম লেগেছে হৃদি কমলে মজা দেখিছে আমার মন পাগলে মজা দেখিছে আমার মন পাগল মা পানি পানি জা রে জা নি সা রে মা রে জা নি সা রে মা রে গা রে জা নি সা নি সা পানি নি পানি সা রে নি সা পানি নি পানি 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 দা বা না বা নি দা পানি দা বা দা বা মা রে মা পানি দা বা মা গা রে সা রে মা মা গা রে সা রে মা মা গা রে সা রে মা মা পা হৃদি কমল Nat Mallar, Nat Bilawal and Mallar. No. Somehow I'm not very near a rag of Surat Mallar is Desh Mallar. So, Desh Mallar is, you know. Okay, thank you. Thank you for giving me another 15 minutes. It's a tough job. I'm getting scared, how it's possible. However, so, Surat Mallar and Desh Mallar. Desh Mallar, Golpo Holeo Shotti. Have you seen the film? Dhananjay? Mapani sarizani dhapa magari reni dhapa damapa. So it is so common that in a popular and very highly popular film, what is the name of the film? Golpo Holo Shotti, where a so-called servant is just वो कहते हैं उनको he is advising his master that are you thinking about composition? Composition is mapani. So this is very common. And Bande Mataram, Rag Desh Mallar. Tropical country, बरसात के साथ देश का नाम जोड़ दिया गया. देश का क्या बात ये कह रही है कि देश के मल हरण करने के लिए. वो तो सही बात है, क्योंकि सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे वन्दे राग देश. ये हर देश के कोने कोने में ये राग. Rather I'm playing something, lot of times singing. Sometimes instruments also give different angles and different lights of a rag. I have now I'm harmonium with me. I'm playing something in harmonium. Rag Desh. Can I have a bit more volume in harmonium, please? कौन सा ताल बजाना चाहते हो? आपका बात भी सुनना पड़ेगा ना. आप बोलो, 3 ताल 1 ताल कौन सा? तीन ताल चलो बोलो
Guys, we have India's one of the most wonderful and fastest harmonium player.
Not now actually, I was a harmonium player. Now I cannot play that much. But difference in Desh, in speed, you know, Desh is not the royal festival of rain, it is the regular democratic festival of rain. Real wind. Now in the last phase, do you have anything to say? Thank you very much. So in this phase, what should I do in next? Dadash Malhar. Now, Bengal is very much. I was telling about Nat Malhar. Huh? Nat Malhar is the combination of Nat and Malhar. Nat is a Bilawal rag, and Malhar with Malhar Ang. Sure.
We have just crossed 101. আমাদের সাথে 103 জন লোক অলরেডি আছে আমাদের 3 people. Wonderful. It's a good feeling.
Thank you very much. Let more people join. You come, just join me. Exactly. I'm very much competent to disturb you. Don't worry. Come and join me. I'll just.
We have just crossed 104 audience. It's a wonderful feeling. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for having with us. Keep watching and do supporting.
Thank you. This is rag knot. The knot means not this, more nritya, drama, dance, and juvenile feeling of juvenile feeling of Mallar. Rain has got some different significance in young people. Juvenile mind, it's a different thing. It's a happy mood. Sani sa re je je ga ga ma pa ma ga mono debo na re mono debo na. You should watch it. All things are there. Yeah? This is not. And as I told you, re ma pa ni da ni sa re ni da ni pa. This is Mallar. So, बरसन लागी रे बदरिया मन में बरसन लागी रे बदरिया बन में बिरहा की करी घटा छाई मन में बिरहा की करी घटा छाई मन में बरसन लागी रे बदरवा बन में Sani sa re ga re ga ma ga re ga ga re sani sa re ga ma pa ga ma re sa ga ma pa ga ma re sa ni ra ni sa re ni sa ni ra ni sa ni ra ni sa ni ra ni sa barsan 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 lagi re badariya banam barsan lagi re badariya banam बिरहा की कारी घटा छाई मन में बिरहा की कारी घटा छाई मन में बरसन लागी रे निध नि सा नि सा नि ध नि पा प गा म प गा म रे सा नि सा रे गा म प गा म रे सा नि सा गा गा रे गा म म गा रे गा रे सा सा रे रे सा रे गा रे गा म रे सा नि सा 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 नि सा 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 नि सा गा बरसन लागी नि सा रे सारी रे गा सारे बरसन लागी रे बदरिया 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 वन में बरसन लागी रे बदरिया वन में बिरहा की कारी घटा छाई मन में बिरहा की कारी घटा To a juvenile psychology, Biraha has also a sense of happiness. It's happiness. Ni da ni za ni pa pa re ga ma pa ga ma re za ni za sa da ni za ni za ni da ni za ni pa 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 re ga ma pa ga ma re za ni za re da ga re ga ma ga ma re za ni za re sa ni za re sa ni za re आ गई. No more. Now going to the 11th number maybe, isn't it? Now going to a special Malhara which has originated from Bengal. Gaur means our. This is presently at Malda district maybe, in Bengal. Gaur Malda. भाबो नारे की हवाए मातालो Tagore is everywhere he is there. This is one schooling, another schooling. पुराने घराने का and अभी जो चल रहा है ज़्यादा कारी में हा छाई रे मन की बन में कारी में दिल्ला मन की बन में कारी में हा छाई रे मन की बन में बूंदन परसन लगी अखियन में कारी में बूंदन बरसन लगी अखियन में कारी में हा कारी में हा कारी में हा चाहिए रे मन की बन में कारी में म पद सा 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 मा रे सा दा नी प ग प म म ग म रे पा प पा प द म प सा सा द प ग प म म ग म रे प ग म रे सा रे ग म द प म म पे चाहिए रे बन की मन में कारी में मारे पापा मा पदा सा 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 मा रे सा सा रे सा दा नी प ग प म म ग म रे प ग म रे सा कारी में कारी में कारी में Now, going for another very, very traditional Malhar created by another Biradari Kalavant. Biradari Kalavant is those Kalavants who transferred the Mughal, who transferred the Sanskrit heritage to Arabian and Mughal music through hundreds of years. Chhajju is one of them, like Tansen, like Baiju. He had composed this rag, Chhajju की मल्हार कहा जाता है इसको, उन्हीं के बनाया हुआ राग है. तो ये मियां मल्हार को कैसे अलग हो गया देखिए. तरना तरदरना. This has also two schooling, Chhajju ki Mallar. One schooling says that leave the kanar ang of, just leave the kanar ang of Miyan Mallar. Mare pava, mare pava, ma pa sa ni da pa ga re sa, sa da ni pa ga ma re. No, nahi. Sa ni da pa ga re sa, re pa ma pa ni da ni sa. No, re pa ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ga re sa. But this resembles more towards Sindhura, especially in our young, and that's why the most popular form of Chhajju ki Mallar. You know, this type of angs are passing through hundreds and thousands of years. So, during this long journey, somehow they have changed their shapes different times. Presently, Julan Jule Kari Kari Gata. Present form is Taradari Tarada. More stress and Daivatanli. Danipa Gama Resa. This is maintained, but Mapani Danisa, this is not maintained. Julane Jule Kari Kari Meha Gagana Me Julane Jule Julane Jule. Julan is a very popular festival of India. It represents another dynamics of love of Radha Krishna. Julane Jule. घाटा भी इस तरह झूलता है. कैसे कैसे नेचर के साथ हम मिलजुल कर रहा करता था, मगर कैसे कैसे डिफरेंट हो गया आजकल. कहाँ नेचर कहाँ. झूलने झूले कारी कारी घटा गगन में झूला झूल रहे. बरसन बन के आओ बरसन. ঝুলন চলছে. চলুক, আমার মেঘও ঝুলুক, ঝুলনও চলুক. बरसन बन के आओ, बरसन बन के आओ, बरसन बन के आओ मेरे आंगन में, बरसन बन के आओ मेरे आंगन में। झूलन झूले, झूलन झूले, झूलन झूले, झूलन झूले कारी कारी घटा गगन में। झूलन झूले कारी कारी घटा 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 गगन में। झूलन झूले, कैसे कैसे झूलन झूले, झूलन झूले कारी कारी घटा 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 गगन में। बरसन बन के आओ, बरसन बन के आओ। In Bengali it's called Ilsheguri, tiny tiny drops of rains. बरसन बन के आओ, आओ आओ आओ। झूलन झूले, झूलन झूले, झूलन झूले कारी कारी घटा गगन में। Somehow technical.
थैंक यू सो मच। वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स, बहुत सारे ढेर सारे कमेंट्स आए हैं जो हमारे साथ अभी देख रहे हैं इस प्रोग्राम को। मंदिरा चट्टोपाध्याय, सोहम माझी, সৌমেন সরকার, সঞ্জয় শিকদার, কুহেলি নাথ, শিল্পী চ্যাটার্জি, সৈকত চ্যাটার্জি, সুশোভন সরকার, অর্ঘ্য সরকার, কানাইলাল কারফরমার। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। থ্যাংক ইউ গাইজ, থ্যাংক ইউ।
এবার আমি শেষ করব। শেষ মহল্লারটা মানে আজকের শেষ মহল্লার, মহল্লার পরবর্তীকালে আরও অনেক হয়েছে। একেবারে কিছুদিন আগেও, জাস্ট মেবি 20 years back, a very good mallar was formed composed by Acharya Chinmay Lahiri, Madhu Mallar. There are lots of mallar, all the exponents of different gharwana. They have created something, some kinds, some treatments. But today I was just following the tradition of Dadas Mallar, 12 mallars. It's a kahavat. 12 mallars is the most known, most cultured and mostly sung 12 mallars. This is Mirabai ki mallar. Mirabai ki mallar, there is, dispute regarding the composer of this rag. A group, there are people who says that Mirabai herself composed this rag, and there are other people who say that no, this was composed by the followers of Mirabai. However, it's an excellent one. You think about Meera, a lady alone, and she is crossing the forests even in darkest nights with rainfalls. Dark itself is a barrier, and rain, serious rain, severe rain, when rain comes in cats and dogs in nocturnal journey, you just think how difficult it becomes for a lady at that time to cross forests and ways and ways, no ways actually. Metta. The history says that it was a long way from Metta to Vrindavan. However, Now you can feel it. This is combination of Surdasi Malhar, Ramdasi Malhar, mainly Ramdasi Malhar, Miya Malhar, and Darbari Kannada. The Kamal Devat really, it just pulls the darkness. Okay, ye rag, I'm going to conclude with this rag, so I may be carried out with this, with the sense of the rag, with the notes of this rag, however. So before that, again I want to thank you, all of you, to give me a chance. I do admire, actually I'm a fan of Ulala Streaming House. They do so much good sound for me, so it's excellent, more than excellent rather. And Papal Petal Entertainment has given me this chance to meet with you, with Malhar Raga's family. So I am going to conclude now with this journey. We all should join Mirabai. And you think we are moving through that. And it's an endless journey throughout our life to the Lord, to the Almighty. Namaskar. Hope we'll be meeting soon. And after this live, there shall be a live of just for 5 minutes from my page. And I'm just telling you that tomorrow, for my fan followers, you please carry this Malhar for 2, 3, 4 days. After that, I will do. It was supposed to make a live for Mysteries of India series tomorrow, but Mysteries of Indian Music, Mystery of Indian Music Part 4 will be in 3, 4 days. I'll be talking it just after this live. No more talking now. 500-600 years back, India, nature, night, and our journey begins right now.
Darkness.
Yeah, at night, deep darkness. In forest, in daytime you will be finding darkness. So at night, it's deep dark. One second. All oddities are coming and going and passing on. In the quest of the eternal.
Thank you, everyone. A big thank you to all from Purple Petal Entertainment team for joining today, and big thank you to Acharya Sanjay Chakravarti ji for enlightening us on Rag Malhar. Thank you. See you. Good night. Take care.